Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Moorish Cuisine. Love is in the air, feel it everywhere. Wreaths are one of my very favorite crafts to make and I especially love making them for holidays. They are perfect for adding a seasonal touch to your home decor. So let's go and see how I made this DIY Valentine wreath. So for this easy DIY wreath, I have this foam ring. Then I bought these felt hearts. I bought everything for Dollar Tree. Then I have this ribbon that says XOXO. I bought these flowers and they have some foam hearts and they are glued with some beads which are coming off. Then I'll be using some scissor and we need glue gun. So to start off this wreath, first I wrap this ribbon around foam ring and I will start off with the joining end. So put some glue on your foam ring and then put the ribbon on top. Press it for a couple of seconds. Just make sure the edge stick completely to the foam ring. So I added some more glue at the edge and again press it with the thumb and then start wrapping your ribbon around the foam ring. I kept on put the glue dots in the middle and then when the one roll was finished I connected another roll with the glue gun as well. I used 2 rolls of ribbons for this whole ring. So I was out of the ribbon. As you can see, the whole ring is covered but the very teeny part is uncovered, but that's alright. I'm gonna put embellishment to cover this white part. So after a lot of thinking and rearranging, I decided to put the flowers underneath and top it off with the heart. So I glued the stems of the flower bouquet at the back and then I glued the felt heart on top of it and cut the hanging stems. And then I glued a satin ribbon at the back to hang the wreath. And then my wreath was complete, but then I thought something is missing in there, so I glued another felt heart on top of the red heart. Just put the glue on top of the red heart and at the angle I put another heart on top of it and then just fluff the flowers and now it looks complete to me. So it's time to take off the winter wreath and here goes my DIY Valentine wreath. So all shades of reds and pinks are in the store right now. Have you fallen head over in heels in love with Valentine's Day decoration? I certainly have. So I have another post filled to the brim with Valentine Day craft and this time I tackled DIY Valentine wreath. This wreath will take care of your door and if you're trying this at home, please don't forget to take a picture and send it to me. And if you want to learn something else, let me know, leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this DIY, click on the links to explore more DIYs like this.